Hello friends, I am Professor Shivaji Varki. In the course of Strategic Business Management, we have seen about what is expansion or growth strategies. When organizations aiming for high development or when organizations aiming for increasing the scope of business in the term of business definitions. Okay, either singly or jointly. That time this expansion strategies adapt. This expansion strategy is divided into four types, which are concentration, integration, diversification, and internationalizations. Okay, then after expansions, it lead to stability strategies. Okay, stability when company feels there is an no scope. Okay, stagnant. That time this company adopt this stability strategies. It divided into three types, that is no change strategies, profit strategies, and caution strategies. Then after stability, it lead to retrenchment strategies. Okay, for example, consider this product life cycles. When product enter into the markets, okay, at introductions, then growth, then stability, and then declines. Same in case strategies also, expansion here, then stability, then retrenchment or declines. Okay, now we'll try to understand what is retrenchment strategies. Retrenchment is followed when an organizations aim at contraction of its activities through substantial reductions or elimination of scope of one or more businesses. It's in the terms of irrespective customer groups, customer functions, and alternative technologies, either singly or jointly. When company is aiming for contraction of businesses, means reduction of businesses or elimination of businesses. Okay, in the terms of customer groups, customer functions, or alternative technologies, or in the terms of business definitions, either singly or jointly. Okay, then retrenchment involved the total or partial withdrawal from the customer groups, customer functions, and alternative technologies. This retrenchment involved the totally exist from all businesses or partially without all businesses. Okay, means selling all the companies or selling the all organizations or selling the some part of organizations. Okay, or stopping all business activities or stop some activities of businesses. Then this is due to the through attempt to the find out the problems areas and diagnosis the causes of problems. Then next step is solve the problems. In this, company try to find out the various what are the various problems. That's why company is showing the negative growths. Okay, then diagnosis the causes of problems, what are the different reasons that's why these problems are occur, and try to solve these problems or try to solve these issues. Okay, then reasons for adopting retrenchment strategies. Why any organizations adopt this retrenchment strategies? Because management no longer wishes to remain in the business, either partially or wholly, due to the continuous losses, and the organizations become unable to pay that losses. Because management or higher authority, they don't want to be remain in that business because it is showing the continuously losses. Okay, and organization could not able to meet that losses. That's why the company adopt this retrenchment strategies. Then the environmental faces in threatening various threatening factors like continuous competitions, then the threat cut competitions, then the changing governmental policies, okay, or legal issues. That's why company or adopt this retrenchment strategies. Then stability can be ensured by relocation of resources from unprofitable businesses. Okay, that's why company adopt this retrenchment strategies. Then this retrenchment strategy is further divided into three types, which are turnaround strategies, then divestment, and liquidation strategies. So first we'll see about what is turnaround strategies. Retrenchment may be done either internally or externally. Okay, either means cutting the internal resources or either cutting the external resources. Then for internal retrenchment can be take emphasis laid on improving the internal efficiency of the companies. Okay, then it contrasts a strategy turnaround is more serious from of external retrenchment and leads to divestment and liquidations. Okay, now suppose company is showing the growth of this kinds, means company is continuously growing, okay, at the 10%, because due to the some changing issues or due to the some changing factors, company is showing the exactly opposite these ones, okay, means turnarounds. Okay, that time this turnaround strategy is adapted. That might be the internal or externals. Okay, when after after adapting this turnaround strategies, if that problems is not fixed, that time companies go for divestments and liquidation strategies. Okay, now reasons for adapting turnaround strategies, because persistent negative cash flows. Our expenses are, if our expenses is more than our income, that time company go for this turnaround strategy. Then negative profits, okay, means your cash outflow is more than cash inflows. Then declining the market shares, your shares in the market is declining. Then deterioration in a physical facilities. Then overmining and high turnover of employees, because of high turnover of, because of many employees are leaving your organizations. Okay, that may be also the reason for adopting this turnaround strategies. Then uncompetitive products, your product itself is an uncompetitive, okay, means your competitors products are better than your products. Then mismanagements, this can be the reasons for turnaround strategies. Then next strategy is divestment strategies. In this divestment strategies involve sales or liquidation of portion of business or major divisions of profit center or ESBO. In this, within the all the strategic business units, company is selling few as strategic business units. Okay, for examples, company have this much of segments, means ITC considers ITC. Okay, for ITC they have FMCG, then agribusiness divisions, then paper and packaging, and IT sales. Now they have seen that our IT division is not doing well. That time company will only sell this department, IT department. This is an divestment. Okay, sell or liquidation of portion of businesses. Okay, for example, you know the Ford have sell their the two major cars to the Tatas, Jaguar and Land Rovers. Okay, this is an perfect example for this divestment strategies. Then divestment is usually a part of rehabilitations or restructuring the plans and adapted when an turnaround has been attempted but proven to be unsuccessful. Okay, it tries for rehabilitations or restructuring the plans of companies. When turnaround is not work, that time this divestment strategy is adapted. Okay, then next one, reasons for adapting this divestment. A business that had been acquired proved that mismatch and cannot be integrated within company, so has been divested. Okay, because of acquired the resources are proved that these are mismatchings, okay, or not satisfying your current conditions. Then persistent negative cash flows, severity of competition, because of increase in the competitions. Then technological upgradations, better alternative may be the available for the investments, that's why maybe the company for go for another divisions. Then failure of strategies, these are the some reasons for divestment strategies. Then next one, last one, liquidation strategies. When in the retrenchment strategies, when it is considered the most extreme and unattractive, okay, is an liquidation strategies, which involves closing down a firms and selling of its all assets. Okay, means totally close your business. Okay, in divestment we are selling few segment of your business. Okay, but in this liquidations you are totally closing your business. Okay, it is also considered as last resort to meet your all debts. Okay, then strategy when organization cannot be turned around or cannot be divested as there are no buyers. Okay, that time company go for liquidations. Then it lead to serious consequences such as losses of employment of workers, then other employees, termination of opportunities where firms could be pursue any future activities, and stigma of failures. Because of this, company totally closed down in this one. Okay, so this is about the today's sessions. In today's session we have seen about what is retrenchment strategy. When companies or organizations showing declining growth, that time company adopt this retrenchment strategies. Okay, then this retrenchment can be in the form of total or partial. Totally retrenchment means or selling some part, that is partial withdrawal. Okay, then what are the different reasons? Because company is suffering through the various losses, environment is also threatening, and ensure reallocation of resources from unprofitable business to the another business, that is also be the one reasons for this adopting this retrenchment strategies. Then this retrenchment strategy divided into three types. Within this first one, turnaround strategies. Okay, it might be for short term or long terms, or it is also called as recall strategies. Okay, or turnover strategies. Then these are the various reasons: because of negative growth, negative profit, declining market share, deterioration in physical facilities, overmining of then turnover of employees, and competitive products, or highly competitions, then mismanagement. Then divestments, selling the few segment of your business, or selling the any particular segment of your business. Okay, then last one, liquidations, closing out your business. Okay, like Nokia, and in this we can put the example of Nokia. This is about the today's session. I hope you have understand. If not, please ask me. Thank you.